no gold is not enough.
Welcome guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to see how we can delete data from the table using SQL queries. So when we will be working on our project and we want to delete data, we will be using similar queries at that time too. So first I'm going to delete a single record out of these 3 posts, and then I'm going to delete the complete data out of this table. So currently I'm in posts table. I go into SQL, and here what are we going to say? We say delete, and then from table name posts where id equals 1. So it is going to delete everything from posts where id is equal to 1. So I'm going to hit go. It says, do you really want to execute this? You want to really delete this? I say okay. It says 1 row affected. So if I go to browse, you can see we have only 2 records left. Now just in case if you want to delete all of the data, what we can do in that case, we simply say delete from posts, and that's it. Instead of passing where, we are just saying delete from posts simply. Now I'm gonna say go, and it says, do you really want to execute? I can say I can. Okay, 2 rows affected. Go to browse. We have no data anymore. So this is how you delete using SQL, and yeah, we're going to use similar and more complex queries in our coming videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
No gold